Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily import product from 1688 to your Shopify store. So take for example, you want to set up a dropshipping business whereby you're going to be sourcing product from 1688 to Shopify and sell on your Shopify store. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can connect both of the websites together. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to Shopify, set up an account with Shopify. If you don't have an account with Shopify, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link there and set up a Shopify store. So once you've created your Shopify store, the next thing you want to do is to go to your dashboard. And once you're in your dashboard, come over here and click on settings here. So when you click on settings here, what you want to do is come over to app and sales channel here. So here you'll be able to go over to the Shopify app store. So when you get over to the Shopify app store, what we want to do here is search for the app that is going to allow us to connect our Shopify store with the 1688 website. So you can just come over here, then search for 1688. So when you search for 1688, it's going to bring out some apps that you can use to connect the two together. So these are some of the apps you can use to connect the platform together. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be using Cartify. So this is Cartify over here. All right, so you can also come back here, then search for Cartify. So this is Cartify, which is Temu Dropshipping. So when you click on it, it's going to bring this out. All right, so when you use Cartify, you'll be able to import product from 1688, Temu, and some other websites like AliExpress and Amazon and the likes. All right, so what you want to do is you want to click on install here. So in your own case, it's going to be installed now. So this is because I already installed the app on my Shopify store. Okay, so in your home case, all you simply need to do is click on install, and when you click on install, it's going to redirect you to the Cartify dashboard here. So this is my Cartify dashboard here. So what you want to do in your own case, once you install the Cartify, is come over here, then click on this Chrome extension here. So when you click on this Chrome extension, what you want to do is click on install here. So when you click on install, it's going to install on your Chrome extension. I already have it installed on my Chrome extension, so I'm not going to do that. So in your own case, once you've done that, copy this key here, then log into the Chrome extension. So as you can see, I'm logged in already. So in your own case, here what you have to do is paste the key here, then click on login. So once you are logged in, you'll be able to use the app, the Chrome extension to import products from 1688 to your Shopify store. So once we've done that, the next thing we want to do now is to go over to 1688. So I'm on 1688. So what you just have to do is search for the product you want to import here. So once you've seen the product you want to import, all you simply need to do is click on the product. So let's assume this is a product I want to import, or I would love to sell this product. So let's just click on the product here. So when you click on any product on 1688, the Chrome extension is going to pop up. So as you can see, what you want to do here is click on add to Cartify. So when you click on add to Cartify, it's going to add this product to your Cartify dashboard. So from your Cartify dashboard, you can now push this product to your Shopify store. So here I'm going to click on add to Cartify. All right, so as you can see, it says success. So the product has been successfully added to my Cartify dashboard. So the next thing I'm going to do is go over to Cartify and then check the product. So this is my Cartify. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh my dashboard here. So when I refresh my dashboard, I'm going to go over to my products here. So as you can see, this is the product I just imported from 1688 to my Cartify. As you can see, it says not imported here. So what you want to do is you want to click on this Shopify icon here. So when you click on this Shopify icon, it's going to say push to Shopify. So when you click on this, it's going to push the product to your Shopify store. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on this Shopify icon, and it's going to load the product and send it to my Shopify store. All right, so as you can see, it says success. Your selected product has been pushed successfully. So the product has just been pushed to my Shopify store. So if I go back to my Shopify store here and click on products, I'm going to see the products I've pushed to my Shopify store. So as you can see, all I have to do here is just click on the product, edit the title and edit the product details, and make it ready to start selling on my Shopify store. So this is basically how you can import products from 1688, add it to your Shopify store and start selling them. So whenever you have an order for this product, all you simply need to do is just go over to Cartify, then use the Cartify app to fulfill the product on 1688 for this product. So this is basically how you can connect the two websites together. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.